All right, here with another video on our featured listing. Here we have 280 Emerald Street North in Hamilton, and this property is absolutely stunning. So once again, the purpose of these videos are to showcase the property itself as well as compare what we have to the other surrounding properties to showcase that there is a tremendous amount of value here in these homes. And then if as a realtor you have any clients that might be interested, or as an individual who for yourself are interested, or maybe knows of somebody looking for a house and wants something that's finished, easy peasy, move-in ready, this could be the one for them. So just to give you some high level specs, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath property. It's about 1,772 square feet. Now we have very low taxes for the year. We're sitting at about 2,900 bucks for the year, which is a huge bonus. And we have 3-car parking in the back. We have a detached garage, with a mechanized garage door. So everything has been done start to finish, completely fenced in backyard as well. So if you have kids, anything like that, it's very safe, very secure. So I'll show you guys some of the pictures here on the finishes. Here's the outside. You can see the fenced-in area. The back has an alleyway where you can park. That's where the 3 cars can go. Has this really cool kind of gargoyle light feature as you walk in. Everything has been beautifully finished. So brand new electrical throughout the unit, brand new mechanical and plumbing. A furnace is existing, but the furnace has been in great shape, so no issues there. But you can see brand new windows throughout, which is a huge bonus. So off the dining room here, there's a big pantry closet. This is where you can have, store your Thanksgiving dinnerware, that kind of thing. So it's very convenient to have everything stored there when you are, hosting for big family meals and things like that. So the kitchen is completely brand new. All the appliances are brand new and still under warranty. So all that information will be provided and will be handed over to the new buyers. And it has like a little coffee nook here in the corner as well. We can set up like a Keurig coffee station kind of thing. So as we head into the basement, oh, we've jumped upstairs, sorry. Here's the master bedroom upstairs. So down the hallway, it's actually 3 bedrooms upstairs, and the 4-piece bath is upstairs as well. So here's a glimmer of the upstairs bathroom. Once again, completely refinished, very tastefully done. Nice, beautiful, accents on the ceilings and stuff like that makes the space feel really, really big. But here's a couple more shots of the bedrooms as well. This door actually on the second floor leads out to a balcony that overlooks the backyard. So this could be really perfect for like an office space or an additional bedroom if someone wants to have like a little bit of a balcony space as well. So um, now jumping into the basement, you can see here we do have another 4-piece bathroom in the basement, but the basement is fully finished as well. Lower ceiling height in the basement, however, it's great for kids, great for kind of putting all those toys that usually end up everywhere in the house. That can all go here. It's a great little space for whoever's looking for it. So here's the picture of the backyard. The sod's being done. It has like a covered porch area here and has a gas connection for the barbecue as well. And then here's the back of the property here that has a detached garage door. It's just being replaced, but tons of space. You can see just how deep that property goes. So it's one of the deepest properties that I've seen on the market lately. So looking at it as a comparative approach to some of the other properties that have sold in the recent days. So as I said, this one's listed at 550 right now. We can look over here. This one just sold for 560,000. So 3-bed, 2-bath, same that we have. It does have the 1.5-car garage. But in terms of finishes, very tastefully done. Looks lovely. Open concept, as I said, it's more of like a narrow hallway. But the kitchen's very nice. Traditional oak cabinets. The appliances look like they're in great shape as well. Same with the windows. And of course, lots of space upstairs. Bathroom is still a little outdated, but that's all right. And then, of course, all the bedrooms are in good shape. Now, here's the basement as well. Very similar in terms of its ceiling height. Very similar layout as we would have. Same, they've got a basement bathroom as well. So a lot of comparables on this one. It looks to be in good shape, and of course, they've got the garage in the back, which is very similar to ours. And yeah, so this one here has actually sold for 560,000. All right. We actually have another one here that sold for, this one's coming soon here. This one's on Main Street. There's a couple here that sold. So it's on 585 on Cheever Street. This is just sold conditionally, so we'll see what price point actually came in at. Um, but yeah, nice looking property. They did a good job with the finishes, very tasteful. Nice hardwood flooring. Nice kitchen with a decorative little tile in the kitchen. Opens up into the backyard. So this is very lovely. Very lovely how they did this one. And so not surprising that it would fetch a pretty penny. So they've got the same types of finishes, same layout. So when you're looking at 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, no garage on this one. Let's just make sure. They do have parking, which is a plus. Okay, so now this one listed at 585 looks like it's got an offer in on it, so we'll see what price point that comes in at. But I'm thinking from a value add standpoint, we're there. We know what's we know what's selling, and we've got a lot of confidence based on what is selling kind of around us. This is gonna come for for the right price. All right. So take a look around at some of the comps as well. Give us some of your feedback. What do you guys think of the finishes? If you guys have seen it, or if there's anything missing or whatnot, let us know. We're definitely interested to get a great family in here because we know it's going to be a great home for them. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we hope it goes to a great family. Cheers.